Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Sit all. How are you all? Fine, ma'am. Okay, today we will go for one topic, how to form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Okay. Here is 4-digit and 5-digit number. How to make? Okay. What is the today we will teach? Greatest 4-digit or 5-digit number and smallest 4-digit 5-digit number. How to make? Okay. So now I will write some numbers. Just look at the board. Don't look at your book. Greatest and smallest numbers. What is our topic? Building greatest and smallest number. Okay, I'll write some number here. 7, 4, 1, 3. Okay, what are the numbers I have written? 7, 4, 1, 3. You know already in class 3, right? Already you know in class 3 to make the smallest number. What you have to do? We have to go in decreasing order or increasing order? To form the smallest to biggest, smallest number, what you have to do? Ascending order you have to go. Means that is increasing order. Okay, to form the smallest number, what you have to do? You have to write the number in ascending order or increasing order, small to big. Okay, so here see that. Which is the smallest number here? 4-digit number I give you. Which is the smallest number? 1. So first we will cross this one. First step what we will do? Cross this one and we will write here 1. This is the, okay, how many numbers are given? We have to cross the smallest number and we will write here. Okay, next, what are the numbers next? 7, 4, 3. Now which is the smallest number here? 3. Now you have to cross this 3 and what will write here? 1, 3. Okay, now in step 4, this is step 2, step 3, step 3, how many numbers are remaining here? 2. So what are the numbers? 7, 4. Which is the smallest number here? 4. Then you have to cross 4 again and write here 1, 3, 4. Okay, now what is the remaining number you have to write in step 4. Which is the remaining number? 7. Okay, so now 7 will write where? 1, 3, 4, 7. So numbers are going in increasing order or decreasing order? Increasing order, right? The smallest number is 1. After that 3, then 4, 7. So your 7 is which place? Which place is 7? Ones. 4? Tens. 3? This is the 4-digit number. Okay, we are applying the 4-digit number now, smallest. Now I will write one 5-digit number, you have to say me. Okay? So smallest number we are writing in increasing order, right? Yes or no? Understood this one? Yes. Okay, now other number 4, 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, now I will call here 1, 1 and you have to write. Okay, first will come. Come Somya. You choose among, here how many digits are written? 5 digits are there. You have to cross the smallest digit. Cross and write here. Next will come. This number will not write again. Okay, all other remaining numbers you write here. Here. हाथ नहीं जाएगा, इधर लिखो जितने रिमेनिंग जितना बचा है नंबर, राइट हियर. ठीक है. नाउ विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट? ओके, यू राइट हियर देन. 1 also you have to write. Okay, good. Next, come. I'll call. Okay, wait. Or the remaining numbers you write. Good. छोड़ के लिखना है, नहीं तो मिस जा रहा. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम. Remaining number 4, 5. Which is the smallest here? 4 and 5. Which is the smallest? Comma give in between, otherwise it will mix. 4. Cross that. Here you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, what is the remaining number? Come. 5. First. Which is the remaining number? 5. Right here. And you write all the numbers in increasing order. 1, 2. What is 2? Okay. Now we arrange this in ascending order, all the digits, right? Yes or no? Yes. So what is the number? Who can read for me? What is the number? Yes, there. Read the number. Which place this one? 5 is in which place? Ones. This is tens. 100. 1000. 10,000. So this is which place? 1. 10,000 place. So how to read? You have to give comma where? Comma you have to give, right? For reading the number. Before 3 digit, you have to give comma. So what is the number now? What is the number? Yes. 12? Yes. 12,345. Okay. So the smallest number you are getting what? 12,345. Okay, you have to give the comma to read the number properly. Now you will write in degree. This is the smallest number you have to find. After that, you will find the biggest number. How to find biggest number? Using only this digit. How to find biggest number? Which order you have to go? Increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Ascending or descending? Descending. Descending. Descending means big to small. Right? So big to small you have to write. So which is the biggest number here? 5. Biggest number? 5. 5. After that what I will write? 4. Next? 3. Next? 3. Then? 2. Then? 1. So where you will give the comma to read the number? 4 before. Yes. Means before 3 number. Yes, before 3 number you have to give comma because this is one period and this is one period. This is one's period. This is which period? Second period. 1000 period. 1000 period. Okay. So what will read? How will read the number? Kaustubh. 54,321. Good. 54,321. So using these digit, 5 digit, how to find the smallest number? You have to write the numbers in increasing order, ascending order. And the biggest number how to find? We have to write in decreasing order or descending order all the digits. Right? Now if another case is there, if the 0 is there. Okay, these are here 0 is there anywhere? No. If another number I will give. Suppose 1, 6 7 8 3 0. Okay, 0 is also here, right? How many digits I am giving here? How many digits? 6 digits. 1 6 7 8 3 0. Now you have to find the biggest number or greatest or then smallest number. ठीक है? ओके, पहले बिगेस्ट नंबर के लिए मैंने क्या बोला अभी? कैसे नंबर को सजाना है? डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो इन सब में से मतलब इन सब में से कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है? 8. नेक्स्ट व्हाट नंबर विल कम? 7. नेक्स्ट 6. नेक्स्ट 3. देन 1 0 will come last to form biggest number. To form the biggest number, 0 will come last, right? Because it is smallest, right? So now where you will give the comma? You come. 1 minute, sit there. Everyone sit there. I'll ask one by one. 1 minute. Give the comma. If you will give the comma, you can read the number properly. Fast. Give the comma. Then yes. Here before 3 digit you have to give one comma, then before 2 digit in Indian system. Yes, already you already learned, right? Indian system, international system chart. So Indian system where you give comma? Before 3 digit, then before 2 digit. This is which period? Ones. This is thousand. This is lakhs. So what is the number here? Yes, Soumya. Very good. 8,76,310. Okay. Now we will find the smallest number. Okay. How to find smallest number? Shall I write 0 fast? Shall I write 0 fast? Why will not write 0 fast? अगर 0 लिखेंगे तो क्या होगा? फास्ट में अगर हम लोग 0 लिख देंगे, बिकॉज 0 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हियर. ठीक है, इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीज मतलब स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर के लिए क्या मैंने बोला? इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में सजाना है. अगर 0 में फास्ट लिख दूंगी, मतलब अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूंगी 0, अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूंगी 0 1 3, उसके बाद क्या आएगा? अगर मैं ऐसे लिखूंगी तो कितना डिजिट का नंबर बना? 5 डिजिट. इट इज नॉट 6 डिजिट नंबर, राइट? इफ आई राइट 0 इन फास्ट, हाउ मेनी डिजिट नंबर इज देयर? But we have to form 6 digit number. Okay, so 0 we should not write in the first place. This is wrong. So this is wrong. Always 0 will be in second place, so that we will make 6 digit number, smallest number. ठीक है? अभी 0 कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? 0 के बाद कौन सा स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है इधर? So 1 हम लोग फर्स्ट में लिखेंगे. 0 कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? Second. Always write 0 in the second place. Okay, now after that what will write? 3, then 6, 7, 8. Okay, now who will come to give the comma? Soumya, come. Good. So who will read the number here for me? You are already finished, right? Who will read the number? Anaya, read the number. Good. This is 1,03,000. Here 0, 10,000 place 0 is there. So what is the number? 3,678. Okay. So if the 0 is there, how to make the biggest and smallest? All you got to know? Yes or no? Yes. Any doubt? No. I'll give one question, then you have to come and solve just. Okay. This is 6 digit number. You have to find the smallest and biggest number. Smallest number who will write? You're finished, Soumya. Come. Smallest number. Good. Give the comma. Comma, give correct place. So what is the number? Yes. 2,03,459. Is it correct or wrong? Correct, right? Very good. Go. The smallest number is 2,03,459. Okay? Now biggest number we will write. Come. Biggest number you can write 0 in last place. Okay? But smallest number, to find smallest, always second place 0 will come. So what is the number?
9,54,320.
Very good. 9,54,320. Good, go. Understood now, children, how to find the smallest and biggest number? Using digits. Okay, so today we will go and do this homework. Exercise 6, number A. ठीक है?